Dear students, good morning. Students of class 9 of Huripur Rakanagar High School, Borua Kumilla. I am Oshin Chandra Devnath. As usual, I am going to take an online class on English first paper, English for today. Unit 1, Father of the Nation, Lesson 1, Bangabandhu's family in 1971. The previous class I have taken and I have read out the first para of this lesson. Today I hope that all of you are staying at home and enjoying a lovely and sunny morning. Thank you for joining with me. I hope that all of you will listen to my class attentively. Listen to what I say. Now I am going to read out the second para of lesson 1, Bangabandhu's family in 1971. Just before midnight, Bangabandhu sent the Declaration of Independence to Mr. Johur Ahmed Choudhury at Chittagong via wireless. ঠিক মধ্যরাত্রের পূর্বেই বঙ্গবন্ধু ওয়ারলেসের মাধ্যমে চট্টগ্রামে জহুর আহমেদ চৌধুরীর নিকট স্বাধীনতার ঘোষণা প্রেরণ করেন। At the darkness part of that night, ঠিক সেই কালো রাতে the Pakistan army surrounded his home and started firing at random. তার বাড়ি ঘিরে ফেলল এবং এলোপাতাড়ি করে গুলি ছুটতে লাগলো। The situation agitated Bangabandhu much and he asked them to stop. পরিস্থিতি খুব একটা উত্তেজিত বা উত্তেজনাপূর্ণ হয়ে গেল। বঙ্গবন্ধু তাদেরকে থামতে বললেন। But soon he was instructed to get ready to go with them. কিন্তু শীঘ্রই তাকে তাদের সঙ্গে যাওয়ার জন্য প্রস্তুত হতে বলা হলো। বেগম মুজিব packed his necessary belongings. বেগম মুজিব তার প্রয়োজনীয় জিনিসপত্র গুছিয়ে দিলেন। After বঙ্গবন্ধু left, বঙ্গবন্ধু চলে যাওয়ার পর she was at a loss of what to do and where to go with her children. বঙ্গবন্ধু শ্রী বেগম ফজিলাতুন্নেসা তিনি তার ছেলে মেয়েদেরকে নিয়ে কোথায় যাবেন কিংকর্তব্য বিমুখ হয়ে গেলেন। However, যাই হোক, being a supportive wife of the great leader all through her life, সারা জীবন এই মহান নেতার তিনি অনুগ্রাহী স্ত্রী হওয়ার কারণে she soon pulled up her mental strength. তিনি তার মানসিক শক্তি পুনরায় ফিরে পেলেন এবং ধরে রাখলেন। But her anxiety continued till the end of the war. কিন্তু যুদ্ধ শেষ হওয়া অবধি তার উদ্বেগ এই নিজের মধ্যেই তিনি বজায় রাখেন বা বজায় থাকেন। So dear students, I read out the second para of English for today, English part paper, Unit 1, Father of the Nation, Lesson 1, Bangabandhu's family in 1971. You know, in 1971, Bangabandhu continued a agitated life. He was tortured by the Pakistani army, and though he was tortured by the Pakistani army, but he would not feel fear at all. He was a strong and brave leader, so he continued all the activity with bravery to acquire to enjoy the freedom of Bangladesh. If he would not bear in our country, we did not get our independence. So, on any context, on any lesson on Bangabandhu, we should read attentively to know the historical and struggle life of Bangabandhu and to know the history of independence of Bangladesh. If we read out or learn or know or listen any context, any lecture on Bangabandhu's life, Bangabandhu's family, and his historical life, or the history of independence of Bangladesh, we will know the history, what is the incident, background incident of Bangladesh. So I want to say you will read out with meaning the third para of the Bangabandhu's family in 1971, lesson 1, and next class I will take online class and I will read out the third para with meaning. I hope that staying at home you will not pass your time idly. You will be very active to your study, because due to coronavirus, though school is closed, and you know our closing date, vacation date has been increased up to 30 June. So you can't stay idly at home. You should read out. You should keep yourself busy with study. No more today. I am going to finish my online class. That's all for today. I wish all the best to all of you. Hope that next class all of you will attend my online class. Thank you very much. Goodbye. No more today.